Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are reviewing Electrum Wallet, which is a time-tested, lightweight Bitcoin wallet that's still going strong in 2025. So if you are thinking about using it, stick around as we will cover its features, security, and whether it is the right choice for you or not. So Electrum is one of the oldest and most trusted Bitcoin wallets available. So it is known for its speed, low resource usage, and advanced features. Electrum has been a go-to option for Bitcoin users since 2011. So it's a non-custodial wallet that gives user full control over their private keys. Now, if I talk about some of its features and pros, so Electrum is known for being lightweight. Unlike full node wallets that require you to download the entire blockchain, Electrum only downloads the parts it needs, making it fast and efficient. This is ideal for the users who want quick access to their Bitcoin without taking up a lot of space. Electrum offers the top-tier security feature like 2FA, multi-signature support, and hardware wallet integration as well. This makes it a great choice for the users who prioritize security and who want to protect their Bitcoin with the multiple layers. One of the Electrum's standout features is its ability to set the custom transaction fees. So you can manually adjust the fees based on how quickly you want your transaction to be processed. This is useful for the users who want to optimize their fees, especially during times of the high network congestion. Electrum also provides the seed phrase backups and it has a recovery mechanism in place. So in case of the device loss or the failure, you can restore your wallet and access your funds with the seed phrase. So Electrum supports the hardware wallets as well, like Trezor and Ledger, which adds an extra layer of security for the users who want to store their Bitcoin offline. Now, if I talk about some of the cons of Electrum wallet. So the interface may be overwhelming for new users, and Electrum is focused solely on Bitcoin, so it doesn't support any other blockchains or any other altcoins. Now, if you want me to create a detailed tutorial on getting started with the Electrum wallet, then you can let me know in the comment section. So in a nutshell, if I talk about my final thoughts, so Electrum Wallet is fantastic option for those who are compatible with more advanced features and who want to secure the lightweight wallet for Bitcoin. So its speed, customizable fees, and security makes it ideal for the more experienced Bitcoin users. However, beginners might find the interface challenging, and if you are looking for multi-asset supports, Electrum won't meet your needs. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.